Yeah, this is the Habibi. Habubi? I'm not even sure I'm saying the right word. But now, if you look all around, there's dust. I'm in it. I've entered the thing. And it looks like a very thin, small one. Between Phoenix and Tucson. So it's going toward Phoenix. I could maybe warn friends of mine there. I don't know what, I like saying the word Habibi, but I don't think that's right. I think it's like Habubi or Hammurabi's Code, or I don't know what it is. But it is a dust storm, a sand storm in the desert, a dust storm in the Sonoran. You could call it a dust storm. That is true. We are fueled up. I didn't do very well on gas. So 2 things we know now. 1, the extra weight that I'm carrying, which I calculated at about 450 pounds. It's probably down to about 380 pounds. Is definitely chipped into my gas mileage. I only got 29 on that last stretch. Well, no, actually it's 30. I got 30. 9.9 gallons, so it's less than 10. Yeah, I guess I got 30. And it might have been some city driving. The stops, including the kind of ridiculous still stops at Phoenix, were a bummer. Let's see if we do better here on the next one stretch. Wow, that was weird. It's windy in the Sandstorm too. But as I was saying earlier, I am going to go to El Charro for dinner. Gas was cheap there, so I'm down to Hundo 20 with just another tank to go, I think. And if that's right, then I have, let's see, 42 tanks to go? It's 2 tanks to go. But 1 tank is already in the car, right? It's like a tank and a half from Tucson, is my guess. So I will go a tank's worth and I'll have to fill again. And that'll be, say, 40 max. And then I'll have to go on that to Santo, but let's say I need to fill again, or at least put in another 30. So that's 70. And yeah, I got a little dough to have dinner with. So I think I'm gonna do a little charros for dinner right now. Dust dominates the environment here in the Sonora desert between Phoenix and Tucson, Arizona. Oh, here we go. Here's some signage. I'll cross over so you guys can read it. So 60 miles to Tucson. Damn, there's a lot of dust. Look at this dust. Visibility's a little low too. So I might get there around 6:30 to El Charro. Oh man, look at it. Alright, I better stop filming and pay attention to what I'm doing. Trucks have pulled over, there's wind issues and so on. But this is fascinating. Yet another trippy thing to have happen on the road trip here. Look at that. It's like fog almost. Yeah. I think it's behind us. yeah, I think I just chewed up 700 miles basically. And I think I'm gonna have dinner and then try to just drive at night. It's a big deal. I don't think there is one. All right, sweet potatoes. Let's MTK out.